Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you're watching me from. You're welcome to Hubs Global Tutorials. On Hubs Global, we try to teach you and to help you or guide you on your way to joining the Pi network and also other cryptocurrencies of your choice, okay, or of relevance. Today, we're going to be showing you how to be part or how to join the Pi network as a newbie or as a beginner. So you've heard about the Pi network, you want to join, but you don't know how to go about it. Don't worry, we're going to be taking you step by step into how to go about it. So first of all, you need to put your browser on. Once your browser is on like that, all you need to do is to type www.youtube.com. Now it's going to bring you an interface as you're going to be seeing in it. So this is my YouTube, okay? Brings you to YouTube, official YouTube. Now what you need to be typing in here is to go on here, search, and you're looking to put in Hubs Global. Once it opens, you're going to be seeing this interface. Now what you're looking for is this Hubs Global. It's my official YouTube channel. Now over here in the very first front opening page, you're going to be seeing this. What you're looking for is mindpi.com/EinsteinPapaAces. This is my official username on my Pi network. By you clicking this link, you'll be able to take you and help you to be able to join my referral team. And what that means is that I will be the one to bring you on board. Okay. Now, for you bringing you on board, you become part of my referral team, meaning that I'm going to help you to mine your Pi coins, and you also help me to mine my Pi coins. So it's a good win to win. Okay, it's a good win to win. So once you click here, it's going to take you to the Mine or the Pi app. Okay. Now, because I'm recording site, in this case, they open straight out. So you're going to have an interface like this. Now, the most important thing is once it opens like this, it tells you a little bit of information about the Pi network, the first digital currency you can mine on your phone. So all these can be done either you're using your phone browser, okay, or using ideally your phone browser will be the best option. So you look for this where it goes download Pi app. Now on your phone browser, once you click this, it's going to bring you to this interface where you can select whether you want to download the app on Google Play or you want to use Apple Store to do the downloading. If you use an Android, or since I use an Android, we're just going to go with that one. So once you click it, if you're using a phone, it's going to take you to Google Play where you see the Pi network officially, and then you can install, okay, or click install one. Or if it's an Apple, you go to the respective Apple Store, click install, and the Pi network app will be installed officially on your phone. Once that is done, you're going to have an interface like this. Okay. Now, quick tour, just a quick tour of what you're seeing here. Now, on the app on your phone, you will be able to get all these things. But before that, once the app opens, you're going to be taken through a series of registration. Ideally, I advise you to use your mobile number. Okay, ideally use your mobile number because it's the easiest and quickest way, okay, for you to be able to secure yourself. So hold on for a minute. So once it opens, the most important thing that you need to keep in mind is number one, okay, hold on, just for clarification purposes, that way you can see it better. So the first thing that you're looking at is you need to secure with the registration, okay? So with the registration, what you need first of all is use your phone. Okay, so use your phone to make the registration, as once you forget or anything, you're able to recover it pretty easier than sometimes using your Facebook. But if Facebook is something that you are okay with, fine, that's fine too. You can do that. That's no problem. So you can use your phone or you can use your social media account to register. Okay. But make sure that number 2, you save or record every bit of information, including passwords. Very, very essential that you do that. Now, once that is done, number 3, you need to also put in the referral, because it's going to ask you that who invited you. Okay, because Pi Network is an enclosed space, you need to be invited by someone. You can't just jump in and go. Somebody has to invite you, and you then it cascades on and on and on. That person and automatically becomes your referral team or somebody that you join partnership with, okay, to be able to mine the Pi coins as it is. Don't forget, Pi Network is mined. The coins are mined via your phone. Okay, so over there, that's where you put. So once you are asked for the referral, you put my name there, that I'm the one that introduced you. So you can just put Einstein Papa 86. Okay, so Einstein Papa 86, and then once you put in there, it's going to further take you along the process of the registration. Okay, once you do that, then you're going to get this interface. Okay, now this is the desktop version, but on the phone you will get a little bit different or slightly different interface compared to this, but it's similarly the same, just a little bit more smaller because it's on the phone. Now once you get an interface like this, you're going to be introduced to a tour. Okay, you can choose to watch it. Advisory, I'll say yeah, watch it, because it's going to show you around, but I'm also going to show you quickly what everything that you're seeing here mean. The first thing that you're going to notice is at the top here. Okay, now the top here tells you how much Pi you have. Now as a new user, or every new user, you get 1 Pi coins, okay, being offered to you. So you get 1 Pi coin here, and then you start mining. Okay, and then it's a gradual process. It goes on and on and on, and it takes time. As you can see, the reading keeps going, or it's going to keep going. So that is where your Pi is going to be displaying up here. Now to your right, you're going to see this interface or a number of these things showing up. The green bit, it tells you how much power or how much Pi you are making per hour. As you can see, currently I'm doing 0.03 Pi per hour. I'll explain that in a bit. Now the next thing that you're going to see here is the referrals, meaning how many people you have on your referral team helping you to mine your Pi coins. Okay, so based on the number of people that you've invited, or based on the number of people that you have, you're going to be seeing the numbers here. And as you can see, I have 3 by 61, meaning that I have 61 people on my downline as referral, but only 3 of them are currently mining on the app, okay, or helping me to mine, whilst I also help them to mine. So it's not a one-way thing, it's a two-way thing. What you see here is a shield, which obviously makes sense. It's a security shield. Okay, security is comprising of about 5 people, but don't worry. As time goes on, you'll be able to understand this bit. Okay, so this is security circle, meaning how many people you brought in that you know, or you have confidence in as to helping you with your Pi journey. Here you have the chat where you can go in to have a communication with everybody on the Pi chat, Pi network. There are a lot of people who are willing to help you answer any question. This is an invitation button where you can invite people or your friends and colleagues onto the network. And this is a node user for whoever has now passed their KYC, which you'll come to know in the later. So now, officially, that's how you come on the Pi network. So welcome to the Pi network. Yeah. Now, over here is announcement section or announcement column. Here, the Pi network core team uses this place or this platform to be able to tell each and every pioneer, each and every person who is on the Pi network about the latest update, latest information that they need to know okay, regarding Pi Network and all its activities. So as you can see, it says grace period final deadline extension, complete KYC and mainnet migration by 8 a.m. UTC on March 14th, 2024. Now, because March 14th is because Pi Network, okay, Pi Network has the 3.14 value, and hence the 3rd of March for the third month, which is March, and the 14th day. So 3.14, hence 3.14. So officially, you are officially welcome. Now, over here on the top left, we have your home, you have your mainnet, Pi utilities, my Pi, Referral team, Pi roles, chat, frequently asked questions, white paper, support portal, core team, and your wallet and profile. So all these ones come with a different further details within. But so far, officially, you are part of the Pi network. Now, the most important thing to know here is this button, this green button. So every 24 hours, the way Pi network works is that Pi network is mined on your phone, and you need to click every 24 hours, okay, to reinstate your claim of your Pi by making sure that you're tapping that button, saying that yes, I am a real person, I'm here and I'm mining. That is a claim. Now, if you don't click, you might be able to, you might forget one day or another, but once you come onto the app, you will be able to continue. Okay, obviously you would not. Your mining stops when the 24-hour period comes to an end until you tap it again. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is a tutorial on how to join the Pi network. Okay, we'll be bringing you more updates on how much to maximize, or how you can increase your Pi coins value, or over time. Okay. If today is the first time watching me, please thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so that you bring you more. And if today is the first time that you're coming, also, I want to say a big thank you to for joining us. We hope you do subscribe and stay for more on the Pi Network. Thank you very much. Bye bye.